Hey, good evening everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, coming to you from a 65-degree, nice, beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Tampa, Florida. Going to give you guys a quick update what we did this week, or I shouldn't say this week, but the last couple of days. I want to say sorry for not posting as much. Still can't shake this sinus infection. So I'm going to show you a couple things we did with the 72 Super and even something that we did with the 74 parts car. So let's take a look. This is the 1972 Super Beetle that we've always been working on here, probably the last year and a half, 2 years here in the series. So let me show you what I did on the inside real quick. We did some more cleaning up. I put the ventilation adjusters here. What this does is adjust the airflow coming from the top vents. Like I said, I put that all together, lubed it all up, got the plastic tracks all nice and clean. Let's see if we can get inside and watch them work here. There you go. So like I said, they're all nice and working great. Let me get the other one here. Like I said, working nice and clean, easy to use, no binding. So again, it puts the dashboard back together. All I got to do is put a radio in here, and then the whole entire dash would be back together. So again, not big steps, but it makes it look a lot nice and cleaner. Look a lot, makes you feel better in a sense of accomplishment. Got both the grills back on the other side. Gonna take all this off and paint it black or paint it whatever color. Just not really a priority. But like I said, so that's clean. That's back put back together. The horn button is on. The horn doesn't work. That's going to be my focus of attention, hopefully on Monday. Glove box is on. So right now, the whole entire dashboard, I would say, is about 95% complete. And if you guys watched my last video, still want to know how these doors come off, I know you can take these two screws off, the bottom two screws off, but when it comes to this latch, or this comes off, but how do you get this arm off? Because, I mean, I don't see no pin there anywhere, but I could be wrong. Comment below or watch my last video. That's the video, or that's what I'm showing that I need help on. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, please comment below. All your comments are greatly appreciated. I've got another set of doors in the garage here, but I just can't figure out how this piece comes undone. I did take the screws off on here, so this mechanism is just bouncing around in the parts car over there. But and that's a 74, but it should be the same. So again, comment below. All your comments are greatly appreciated. So speaking of the 1974 Super Beetle that we've gone to strip down here in the last couple months for parts for the 72, we did get a couple goodies off of it, and I want to show you that right now. These are a set of factory pop outs. Let's see if I can get the VW emblem. There it goes, the VW emblem. So they are factory glass. They're in decent shape overall. I even kept the hardware because I know I got to replace the mounting bracket, get that a little cleaner since that is pop, rather just get a nice, maybe an OEM piece. But again, it's got the factory VW numbers on it. So hopefully we won't lose this. Did label it. This is what everybody should do on a restoration project, but we all know that. Whoa, that wasn't very smart. So what we also did is I also got some more wires out of the car. This was the exact same wire that I had a video on that I asked you guys about, with all these ends and ends like this. So I thought it was pretty funny. But again, complete wire, factory color, not cut up, chopped, great for extra wires. So we're going to put that in a box here with all of our extra wires. Even got a whole entire electrical light switch, headlight switch, which I thought would be pretty neat since I'm having problems with that right now. going to assume at this particular moment that all these wires, give me a second, are correct. And what I'm going to do is use the Bentley manual, check all the posts, or the wire locations, as we can see there, and see where and what we are missing in the 72 Super. About 99% sure these are the same, but I'm going to have to check it on the diagrams. So thought that was pretty neat, pretty handy. Kept it all in one piece. Again, all the ends are nice and clean, and I just thought that'd be real helpful. Just a couple other wires, nothing really spectacular. These are the whole entire wire assembly from the light switch, or from the dome light, all the way to the door pin to door pin. Again, I thought it was pretty neat. Got it all in one piece, factory colors. So I guess that's a win-win for all of us too. Got a whole handful of wires, but that was just, just stuff like that could really come in handy when you got to splice a wire, maybe add an extension onto your wire, or just completely replace the damaged wire. So that's about all we got done for today. Hopefully this week will be a lot better, so we're going to take a look at that. My main focus for this week coming up is get the horn going, and the make sure we got all the headlights and stuff like that going on there. I say that now, but I'm sure it's probably going to change 3 or 4 times even before midnight tonight. So again, guys, take care, stay warm, like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment or don't. Just have a good one. Try not to be stressed out for the holidays, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, and God bless.